make $100 per day every day. What's up YouTube? Welcome to Agrawal Bros. I am Akshat, and in today's video I'm gonna show you an awesome way through which you can easily earn $100 per day every day. So if you're new to my channel, then you can browse through the collection of videos that I have posted online, posted on this channel. I regularly post videos on how to make money online through TikTok, through through YouTube, how to make money online through YouTube, how to make money online through copy paste work, how to make money online by playing PUBG. So I post variety of methods to make money online. You can browse through my channel. If you like my content, then please hit the subscribe button, and also do not forget to press the bell icon for instant notifications. So now watch this video till the end. I am gonna show you an awesome way through which you can earn easy, very simple, easy money online. And if you want my number one recommendation, then click the first link in the description. Okay, so let's begin with the method. So first of all, head over to this site called Resell Rights Weekly. Now, resell Rights Weekly is a site where you can get PLR products. PLR products stands for private label right products. These are the products which can be used uh, as a bonus, or they are basically ebooks and softwares that can be given away to your email list. Now if you're wondering that this method is about email list, or building your email list or something like that, or building your website and giving away free stuffs like that, so it's not like that. Just stay with me and watch this video till the end. So first of all, you need to sign up for this site, Resell Rights Weekly. This site does look old, and for some reason they have not updated the interface, but that doesn't concern us. You can see I am directly in the members area. You can visit this site, and you can come straight over to this free membership download area. And I am recording this video in the beginning of April, so no products are available for April right now. And if you see, they have products since 2007, so huge content this site provides you. So I click on March, and it opens up this page. So as you can see, we have this breakthrough sales solution. This is a freely downloadable book. Another one is blockbuster cash secrets. Another one is amazing advertising tips, and this is ad unit pro, some kind of software. Aromatherapy instant mobile video sites. This site also provides you micro video sites. So this is all free stuff. There is also gold membership. You can update to gold membership by paying $1. That's very cheap, and I would advise you to do so, because it provides good value for money. So say for now to the method. So first of all, you go to the, you can, if you can say for example your niche is internet marketing, how to make money online niche. So you select these kind of books, blockbuster cash secrets. Go here and click on this, and this will begin downloading. After you download this, copy all the information that is contained in this PDF and paste it on a Microsoft Word file. To be more authentic, you can take 2 or 3 such kind of books and copy paste the content given in those PDF files, PDF ebooks to Microsoft Word. Now comes in the secret. So watch it very carefully and listen very carefully. So you now need to head over to the ClickBank. ClickBank, if you don't know, is a platform where you can sell digital products online. So for example, right now we are in this health and fitness niche. Let's just go down here, and let's say where is the niche related. Yeah, so we have this e-business and e-marketing. Let's just click on this and let's see what comes up. So it's processing request. So in e-business and e-marketing, we see bulletproof profits, insane epics, super affiliate system, John Crestani, different kinds of products, and they have everything there. So if you don't know anything about ClickBank, then I have certain videos in ClickBank that explain how you can promote ClickBank products. So you can watch those videos. Okay, so now what you do is, say for example, we take this particular product, bulletproof profit, insane one. So what I do is I click on promote, and then this short interface or pop-up window will open up. Okay, so then it says account nickname Akidon, and I will click on this generate hop links. So you know it will give me, so it has given me this hop link. I'll come over here, or I'll directly just select this, control C, you know and then I'll head over to a site called bit.ly, which is basically a URL shortener site. So come over to bit.ly, and then you paste your link in here. It will give you a shortened URL. So now take this URL and go to the Microsoft Word, where you have copied data or the information from the files that you downloaded from Resell Rights Weekly. So after you do that, you need to type in somewhere in the middle, like say for example, the books that you downloaded were about making money online. So you can after two or three paragraphs where it seems relevant, you can write like, so here is a way through which you can earn insane money, go check this out, link. Then you can paste your link here, or uh, you can just put your link there, and always remember to put your bit.ly link. Or you can also code the word, and code it, code the word, say for example you code the word here, and include the word, this include the link in that. So whenever a person click on here, he will be redirected to the affiliate site. So promote two or three programs in that PDF file, and then when you have prepared the whole document, convert it into a PDF file, and then head over to this super cool site called PayHip. The spelling of the site is PayHip. So it's a platform where you can upload digital products online. So it is absolutely 100% free to join. So just go here, put in your email, and upload your digital product on this site. So now you may be wondering, okay, I will do that. I will create a Word document. I will paste my affiliate link in that, and I'm gonna upload it on PayHip. Now how I'm gonna get sales? So my friend, nobody tells you this. I'm gonna tell you this very underutilized source, which is known as QUORA. That's it, my friends. That's the source which you should go after if you want real success. So this is QUORA, Quora. So this is particularly very underutilized site, and you can see my stats. This is one of my channel, and you can see 2.71k views in last 30 days, and I recently started it. I started it somewhere around March 14. So I did this in 15 days. I did not answer that many questions also. So it's like you can see 2.71K. That's a lot of views for newly started channel. This is just half a month back. This channel was started just half a month back, or you can say I became active on this particular channel half a month back, and you can already see my results. So this much traffic in just 15 days without investing any money. So this is very very simple method, my friends. you know Here's the basic overview of the method. First of all, you need to head over to Resell Rights Weekly. Then you need to download some ebooks. Then you have to copy the matter in those ebooks and paste it over to the Word document. And then you need to head over to ClickBank, which is a free affiliate marketing platform. There you need to select a product which has high gravity and which has good average bill, and then you need to promote that. Click on the promote button, then you need to uh, take the link, head over to bit.ly, shorten that link, and then you need to head over to the Microsoft Word document where you have copied the data from the PDFs file downloaded from Resell Rights Weekly. Paste your bit.ly link as it is, or you can also write something. Say for example, here is my number one recommendation to earn free money online, and uh, click here. Then you can embed your link in the click here. There's an option to embed your link, so you can do that. And then you need to head over to Payhip. On Payhip you need to upload your document, and you need to write small description telling something about your book. For that you need to read the book. It will just take 10 minutes. And after that you need to head over to Quora, and you need to find relevant topics and post your affiliate you need to write answers and post your affiliate links in your answers. So another thing with Quora is that you have to you should paste your links in three questions in case you answer 10 questions. So the ratio is 3 out of 10. you know Otherwise Quora may ban you. I have not been banned. I don't post links, I just promote some other stuff, my YouTube channel. So I am not banned from Quora. And there are some people who got banned because they promoted their site or pasted some links or something like that. So to avoid that, all you need to do is just don't overdo it. If, say for example, you answer 10 questions, then just paste the link to your ebook in 3 questions only. Do not do it in seven or every question, because it may get you banned. And regular posting on Quora helps you build your audience. So this was my method, friends. If you liked this video, then please smash the like button and also subscribe to my channel, where I post super cool, easy ways to earn money online. And my methods are very very practical, and I try to keep my methods absolutely 100% free. Even when I recommend something that has a cost, then that particular method gives you way more returns. So I am recommending one product to you. That's the first link in my description. You can go check out that product. It will give you good, consistent source of income. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you so much.